You know what I'm saying? They go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To me, that's not enough. So what I do is 1, 2, 3. So I go twice as many reps instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And I just do my whole face. So I start from here and I count to 10. And once I do that, I come over here. And then I go like this and I come up the sideburns. Then I go around this side right here, do the same thing, go under my chin. And then once I do that, I come sideways and hit it like this. And then I come all the way up, I come all the way up, and like that. And with my mustache, it's kind of hard to go up and down, so I just go sideways like that. Under my chin, you can go like this, and then I hit it sideways. And then I come up on my forehead. You know what I'm saying? And also, when you're doing this derma roll, whenever you're doing this, you don't want to like scrape over. After you've hit all your reps on one area, you want to pick the derma roller up and then put it on another area. Because if you just start trying to move it while it's already in your skin, you're just going to scratch your skin up.